Okay, this is stock number 11-131K. It's a 2010 Honda Civic EX, 1.8 liter California engine, automatic. Cannot test the transmission. The axle got ripped out, so I'm just testing the motor on this thing right now. I'm sure the transmission is probably alright, but without being able to road test it or even bump it, you know, I can't guarantee it. But we can pull the pan and check inside and everything when we do it. But the motor's been running for about 20 minutes now. No knock, smoke, noises. It's got vibration, but I mean, it's sitting against the understructure right now. You know, the motor mounts and everything are all bonded up, so none of the belts are hitting or anything. And let's see, we got trying to get you a shot here so you can see. Alright, there we go. We got 133,076 for miles. No check engine light. You can see nothing on the top either. All the power accessories seem to work good. So it looks like the motor's going to be alright.